What sets LandPro apart from our competitors is we're a one-stop shop for parts, sales, and service. We can provide a complete solution to our customers. We can work on all the major brands, which is nice as well.
What sets LandPro apart is they're very open-minded to new ideas, and they want to hear what the technicians have to say, and they're willing to work with you with whatever you need.
The biggest reason I think we have advantages here at LandPro over other places is we have a lot of knowledge. A lot of our technicians are older. They have a lot of seniority. They've been around the product for a long time.
I believe when you come to a dealership, you're going to get more professional quality work than another company, because we're going to entirely go over the whole machine. We're going to give you what we think needs to be done to help you not have issues in the future and have minimal downtime. And we'll get out to you as soon as we can and try to get it fixed if we need us in a hurry, where the competitors might not be able to do that. They might only get you when they can.
I enjoy being able to take a problem and fix it, being able to get somebody out of a bind. I know what it's like to be in a bind. I grew up on a farm, and I know what it's like when your equipment's down. So the thing I enjoy most is being able to see somebody continue on what they couldn't continue before.
I grew up on a farm, all that we ran mostly John Deere equipment. So I pretty much did it for a long time, and I like working on ag equipment.
So a few years ago, I did receive the John Deere Technician of the Year award for our territory. That was pretty exciting and unexpected. I enjoy all my customer experiences. Everyone here is extremely nice, and they're just nice to talk to and help them out. Ag equipment specifically because of my background. I grew up on a farm. I still live on a farm. I have a heart for farming and the equipment that is involved in it.
What makes our technicians different here at LandPro is we have a wide and vast background of technicians, from turf to ag. We have techs that are factory trained. We have techs that are fully hands-on trained. So we have the ability to get the real world experience, as well as the certified training from the big names that they've come from, and also John Deere, to be able to provide that good customer service out of our service department.